Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Math Olympiad, and here today we will solve this nice Math Olympiad algebra problem. And here you see that we have x to the power of 4 divided by x cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here first we find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. And also at the last I can explain the difference between solution and extraneous root. So please watch this video at the end. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards our first method, and in the first method we use here this nice exponential law. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equals to, here you remember one thing is that we just move our smaller exponent towards the bigger exponent. So here in this exponential law we have the condition is m is greater than n. So if our m is greater than n, then we move this n towards m, and it will be written as a to the power of m minus n. Okay, so according to this rule of exponents, you see here here our 3 be the smaller exponent, then we move towards 4, so it will be written as x to the power of 4 minus 3 is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we have x to the power of 4 minus 3 becomes x only, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here you see that we will get only one root of the given equation, and that is x is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need to verify that is this value of x be the solution of given equation, or is this value of x be the extraneous root. So for this we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x to the power of 4 divided by x cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So now here first I can explain the difference between solution and extraneous root. So the roots which is satisfied our given question statement is called the solution, and the roots which does not satisfy our given question statement is called the extraneous root. So here we check that is x be the solution and extraneous root. So let's move forward, and now we substitute this value of x into the left hand side, and it will be written as 0 to the power of 4 divided by 0 cubed is equals to 0. And this implies that you see here 0 to the power of 4 becomes 0, and 0 cubed is also becomes 0 equals to 0. And now you see here our left hand side be the indeterminate form. So we write 0 by 0 form is usually called that it is the indeterminate form. Okay, so if our left hand side is indeterminate form, or in other words we just say that it is undefined form. So if our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal. So if both of the sides are not equal, then we conclude about x is equals to 0 is that x is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. So we just write it here, x equals to 0 is called that it is the extraneous root of the given equation. And you see here we cannot get any other value of x which is satisfied our given question statement. So finally we conclude about the solution set of this problem is that this question has no solution, because we cannot get any value of x which is satisfied our given question. And now we again solve this problem for second method, and in second method we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is x to the power of 4 divided by x cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So this is our given question statement, and here in this method we apply another exponential law. You know about that. If we have so here first we rewrite this equation as this is x to the power of 4, we write it as x to the power of 3 plus 1 divided by x cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we use this nice exponential law. You know that if we have a to the power of m plus n is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So according to this rule of exponents, we just break these two exponents as in this form. This is x cubed is multiplied by x to the power of 1 divided by x cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see here x cube is lies both of these two terms, so that this x cube is cancelled out by this x cubed, and this implies that we will get here x is equals to 0. So in the second method we again get the value of x is equals to 0, but in the first method we already verified that x is equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we called that x is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so if we conclude about the solution, that so this question has no solution because we cannot get any value of x which is satisfied our given question statement. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.